Hey everybody, this is Kim from Lazy Boy in Orlando, and today we're going to talk about replacing a release from inside your recliner. The part on the outside can have two little things that can happen. Number one, this little plastic piece can bust a little bit, so it's an easy repair. Nicely, it comes with the whole entire release. So whether it's just this little plastic part that has a little chip or break in it, or you need to replace the whole release, it's one easy, quick repair. And we're going to show you how to do that today. I brought my resident expert, Reggie.
Hello.
And he's going to take us through 3 simple steps to make that repair. The first step comes from the outside, and it's releasing this up so that you can undo those 2 screws inside. And Reggie, are you ready to take it away?
I'm ready.
Perfect.
You only need 2 simple tools to remove this: a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver.
So while he does that, I'm going to show you where those 2 screws are. We're going to open up this footrest, and there's one here and one here. Take it away, Reggie.
And there you have it, removing 2 screws.
That's it for step 1?
That's it for step 1.
Step 1's done. So if you thought step 1 was easy, step 2 is just as easy. Reggie, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Step 2, all is required is a flathead screwdriver. And to make it easy access, you can release your footrest to get access to your eye. Take your flathead screwdriver, pop that eye off, and release the plastic over the top of the metal on your mechanism.
So the mechanism is all released from the frame.
It's all released from your frame.
Step 2 is pretty easy. On to step 3. Hey everybody. Step 1 and step 2 were super easy, but step 3 is the easiest of all. Go ahead, Reggie.
Once you've released your cable from your mechanism, all is left to do is pull up on your handle and pull it out.
Easy peasy. 3 easy steps to take it out. How many steps is it going to take to put it back in?
3 easy steps to put it back in.
Perfect. Let's go to step 1. Now on to replacing it. It's pretty simple. Again, 3 easy steps. Reggie, here we go.
Alrighty, first of all, we want to start by putting our cable through our hole. Make sure you have a snug fit on your handle. Then you want to pull up the release to have access to the 2 holes where we're going to install our 2 screws.
I'll hold that for you, Reggie.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And again, it takes a Phillips screwdriver. First screw. Second screw.
Step 1 was easy peasy. On to step 2 of installing that release mechanism, and here we go.
Alrighty, once you have installed your handle on the outside with your 2 screws, you want to grab your cable. And again, you can release your leg rest to make easy access for you. Step 1, you want to install this plastic piece over your mechanism. Snap that in place. Then you have your eye you want to connect back here. And it may require a little force from the screwdriver. Oops.
This is probably where my little hands would come in handy, huh?
Yes, it
Tight
will.
little space.
My glasses. There we go.
Easy peasy.
And it's done.
Step 2 is all complete. And now on to step 3, which is my personal favorite. Time to relax and recline.